Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious coconut crepes. So let's get right to it. So you're going to be needing about 6 whole eggs, about a cup of coconut cream, not coconut milk, coconut cream, there is a difference. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 5 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour to keep things together, and a pinch of salt. So using a whisk, I'm gonna whisk this up really good to break up the egg yolks and make sure everything is mixed up properly. But I still had some lumps in there, so I'm gonna be going in with my immersion blender to blend away the lumps. You can use a regular blender for this, but I find that the immersion blender makes life easy because everything happens in one single bowl, okay? Less things to wash. So I'm gonna let my batter rest for about 10 minutes before it's time to cook. So when it's time to cook, I'm using a brush to brush some coconut oil to the bottom of my pan to make sure nothing sticks. And I'm gonna be adding about a 1/4 cup of my batter to my pan, swirling the pan as I go to make sure that I end up with a beautiful round shape that I love. Guys, you know me, I love everything looking pretty when it's time to eat, okay? So I love pretty food, so I made sure that I ended up with a really round shape. So I'm gonna be cooking my crepes for 2 to 3 minutes on each side because I love to have color on my crepes. But if you like it to be plain white, you can cook for 2 minutes and that will be fine. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it one more time. Brush some oil to your pan, add your batter, swirl the pan to make sure you get the shape that you want. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and voila, the crepes are done. So easy. I told you guys it was easy. So once my crepes are all cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like in the end. So I'm gonna be folding them up really nicely just to make it look pretty, and I'm serving it up with some fruits and a scoop of ice cream because I decided to be a bad girl today, and some coconut shavings on top of it. Some confectioner sugar will go on top of it. I'm gonna add a little drizzling of syrup and some chocolate syrup. OMG, it tastes so good. Why go to IHOP when you can make it yourself? So that's it, guys. That's how to make coconut flour crepes. If you really want to stay healthy, please do not add the sugar, do not add the syrup, and definitely do not add the ice cream, okay? I just took a perfectly healthy recipe and ruined the whole thing. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos. And guys, if you love my videos, be sure to subscribe and like this video, share with your friends and your family, okay? I love you guys. See you all in the next video.